Hello and welcome to Waiver Consulting Group. This video helps you become a skilled nursing services provider in New Hampshire, offering medical care at home. These services are covered under New Hampshire's Medicaid home and community-based services, waivers like choices for independence, developmental disabilities, acquired brain disorder, and in-home support for children. The New Hampshire Department of Health and Human Services, DHHS, manages funding. The Bureau of Elderly and Adult Services, BEAS, ensures quality and compliance, and the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS, provides federal oversight. To enroll, apply via the New Hampshire Medicaid Provider Enrollment Portal. Submit documentation like nursing licenses, and pass a readiness review by Department of Health and Human Services, DHHS, and Bureau of Elderly and Adult Services, BEAS. Upon approval, you can bill Medicaid. Waiver Consulting Group offers full support to launch compliant skilled nursing services. Visit waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172.